Na tekmo z Mariborom se pripravljamo, v bistvu se pripravljam kot na vsako drugo tekmo, nič posebnega. Se zavedamo, da imamo dobro popotnico. Doslej smo odigrali v prvenstvu 3 tekme, vse 3 smo zmagali, tako da imamo dovolj razlogov za optimizem. Se pa zavedamo, da nas čaka dobra, močna, težka tekma, podobna evropski tekmi, veliko ljudi bo, tako da je to mogoče nekaj več v tem slovenskem prostoru, ampak jo ne gre jemati tako da kot na vsako drugo se pripravljamo in to je to. Sigurno je zelo pomembno, da se sliši naše navijače, kako nam stojijo ob strani in kako nam pomagajo v težkih trenutkih, ampak na koncu smo mi tisti na igrišču, kateri moramo stvar pripeljati do konca.
This season everything supposed to work good the way God wanted, because I believe this year is a year of reward, and I believe we can make progress and work more hard and can make big things, you know. In the game of Maribor, I believe I can do my best and leave rest to God too. I know I will do my best in the game, and I believe we will have the victory in the game. We can beat them if we put our mind together and make everything happen, you know. So I believe we can make easy difference in the game. When you work hard, you receive good reward. So I believe I can work more hard to make everything easy for me in the Maribor game. I believe the way they see me before, now they will see a difference. I believe they will see a difference. Everything will work very nice for me. I believe I will push myself to make difference in the game. It's a big team, but we are a big team too. Olympia is champion. We continue to be champion. So that makes me, I can just put my mind to do my best in the game.